everybody, in this video we will show you how to print our new products, which is a flower pot. Okay, and this is the new products. It's compared with the old 12-ounce latte one. This is a calendar shape, and it's with a larger, diameter, and it will come with a wooden base, which looks really nice. Okay, so now let me show you how to do the printing. Okay, first we need to adjust the pressure. So make the machine to be turned off, and actually I already adjusted the pressure before. So today we're still using our Galaxy tumbler press with the 30-ounce heater, which is the longest heater in the market. Okay, and now I think the pressure is good to go. How make sure the pressure is good to go is when you close it, it's not like hard, you are really hard to close it, and that means that the pressure is good enough. If it is really hard to close it, that means pressure is too high, then you need to reduce it. How to reduce it is to make this to be longer. This part to be longer, that is for less pressure. Okay, and if you just use your finger, then you can easy to close it. That means that the pressure is too less. Then you need to increase the pressure. How to increase the pressure? Just turn this, reduce and turn, reduce or increase pressure is the same. Turn these two screws. But for increase the pressure means make this part a little bit shorter. Okay, that's all. So we're ready to do the printing demo, and take this out, turn on the machine, and do the printing setting. So for the ceramic products with our tumbler heat presses, if you need to do 2 times of printing, that means full printing. Okay, so the temperature we need is standby temperature, again, is always 160 degrees Celsius. And printing temperature, we need to increase it to 180 degrees Celsius. And the printing time, we need to increase it from 20 seconds to 40 seconds. Because ceramic always harder to print. I need longer time and temperature, higher temperature compared with stainless steel. Okay, now the time and temperature be set it up, and we need to wait until the temperature up to 160, which is standby temperature. Then we start to the print. Okay. Okay, next step is how to apply the printed image onto the pot. Okay, firstly, the tips for this is a printed design. We use a A3 desktop inkjet sublimation paper to print this paper, and it's sublimation paper. Okay, and the tips for this is that you need to cut all the white edges for the prints, leave as less as it could be. That will bring you more easier for you to make sure the image will be located on the right position of the substrate. Okay, and the next printing tips is to make sure that you're located your design on the right direction. You can see this was wrong, so I need to change the direction. See, this is the word, this is the right direction. Okay, and when you wrap the paper, there is another tips. The better is you hold it into the desk. That can help you to be more easier to apply the pressure and locate the image on the right position. And use your hand to hold it and stick it with the heat resistant tape. Okay, I think 2 will be good enough. And you can see you need to make sure the image is covered on both bottom and edge and top. Okay, and now we are ready to go, and the temperature still not be rising to the printing temperature, so we need for a little bit more to wait it until to 160 degrees. Okay, the temperature is up, and let's do the printing. So again, it's the same. So make sure the mark is the pot is in the center of the heater. That will make sure even heating and even pressure during printing. Okay, and let's wait. Okay, time is up, and to open the press and rotate it for another print. Okay, so tips like you know, when we put the mark into the machine, always put the tape in front of you, and then that will be more easier, help us to understand why when you rotate it, whether it is in the right position. Make sure it is in the center, then that will be the right position. Okay, now it's done. Okay, let's wait for another print. See, with the temperature drop to 175 and then close it. It was dropped to 175, 5 degrees difference, and then close the handle. So temperature will still keep dropping. It's because the mark is cold. So it needs to hit the mark first, and then the temperature will going up. Once the temperature reached the printing temperature, which is 180 degrees, time start counting down, and once time is up, printing is done. Okay, let's wait. Okay, time is up, and let's see how it looks like with the printing result. It's hot, so you need to always have a heat resistant glove to protect yourself. Okay, it's really hot. Okay, and I think it looks really nice. Every angle prints very well, and from top to the bottom prints really nice. And put it here with your favorite plants. So enjoy your life. Okay, and hope today's printing demo make you understand better how to print it. Okay, if you have any suggestions or tips that can make us to print this pouch be better, please do not hesitate to leave message, and we will be really appreciated. Thank you.